Next is content creator. This was the last topic we treated. Okay, content creator. In case if you have not, you don't know much about that, we advise that you should go and see the video. Okay, you want to see the video. I should be dropping a link to that video in this description. Okay, so content creator people create contents about a particular project. It could be YouTube, it could be Twitter, it could be Twitter thread, sorry, it could be blog posts, it could be Discord, Telegram, like name them. Name them. These are content creators. They write content about a particular project and they get paid doing the job. You just say maybe you have a project and you are the developer of a particular project, you don't have the time to write about a project, and just involve content creators and tell them what you want. You want them to help you write some content about the project and also advertise it to your community. Because YouTube creators are people that make videos about it and they advertise it to your community. That is content creating. Okay. They should help you and create content about it. They'll create it, they'll do it for you and you pay them and they do the job. Okay.